Hello friends, I am Mrs. Pagar Vidya, Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon, Baswant District, Nasik. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn a new poem, 1.3, A Basket Full of Moonlight, translated by Sunil Sharma. This is a free verse type of poetry. Free verse is an open form of poetry. It does not consist or it does not use consistent meter pattern, rhyme or musical pattern. Now, this is an English translation of a poem originally written in Dogri language. Dogri is a beautiful language spoken in the northern parts of India like Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Now we will see the background of the poem. A small, innocent, and caring child who lives in a remote village untouched by modern facilities is very much worried about his father's safety. His father and the village people regularly go on foot towards the city for work. The road is full of obstacles. So, we will see what remedy he finds out for the plight of his villagers. Now I am going to read the poem. Listen carefully. Oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Now we will see the first stanza. Look at the first four lines. Here, the innocent child is requesting the moon to give him a basket full or two baskets full moonlight with seeds of moonlight. Look at his ideas, his imagination. Why he is asking for the seeds? What is he going to do with these seeds? Let's see in the next lines. Look here. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. Look here. The child is going to sow the seeds of moonlight. Where? On the sides of the path that leads to his village from the city. He wants to sow many small moons of light all along the path. Look here. Here, sow means to plant seeds by scattering it on earth. म्हणजे पेरणे, बीज पेरणे. The child looks very hardworking. Look at his ideas. Very strange ideas to lighten the path. He will sow the seeds so that the road will be no more dark. Now we will see the next lines. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. Here the whole village means the entire working population of his village goes to the city. Daily means every day. As the village is quite far from the city, here quite far means a long way from the city or remote village, a distant village. And by the time of their return to the village, it becomes quite dark. Turn to next lines. The road is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Now, in these lines, we see that the child is very much worried about his father's safety, as the route or the way is tough, means in adverse condition. It is full of snakes and scorpions. There is no facility of bus or cart. Cart means a vehicle carried away by animals, just like horse cart, bullock cart. Here, no bus or cart plies. Plies means travels regularly over a route. Still, the villagers have to tread the same path, and so they get late to reach their homes. And by the time boy's father returns home from work, the child is always asleep. Now turn over to next lines. And he goes back early in the morning when I am sleeping. Then again, the father leaves early for work in the morning while the child is still asleep. And so he misses his father very much. He feels lonely. That's why he finds out a remedy for the plight of his villagers. Let's find out what remedy he comes up with. Read the next lines. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. The child is very honest, very confident. He asks the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight on loan. He does not want moonlight on free of cost. He is going to return it again. Here, on loan means act of borrowing. उसनवार घेणे. He is going to lighten the road so that his father will return home early and he can hear the fairy tales and stories from his father. What is meant by fairy? Look here. Pari. Fairy tales means Pari Katha. He wanted to listen fairy tales from his father. Now turn over to last stanza. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. He has faith in himself that he can make the path more safe for his father by sowing the seeds of moon on the sides of the path. So, once again, he is requesting the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight. Now, students, we will turn over to new words and phrases. Sow. Sow means here plant seeds by scattering it on earth. Perne, bija perne. Quite far means a long way from, far away in space and time. Distant, remote, दूरस्थ, खूप दूर. Plies means travels regularly over a route, goes to and fro. बसच्या फेऱ्या म्हणतो आपण त्याला हेरजारा. Asleep means into a state of sleep. झोपलेला. Loan, act of borrowing. उसनवार घेणे or lend, or a thing that is borrowed and is expected to be paid back with interest. Loan म्हणजे उसनवार घेणे, कर्जाऊ घेणे. To light means give light to a place. उजळून टाकणे. And tales means stories. Friends, if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share these videos with your friends, students. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. I will come up with the next videos soon. Till then, goodbye.